You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this expression from French, as well as how to say more confusing French names and vocabulary that too many get wrong and misunderstand. So make sure to stay tuned to the channel. Yes, this is indeed a real French expression, meaning yes, 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 or yes, definitely. Oui, oui is how it is said. Oui, oui. And now, you know, more videos for you here to learn more fun and interesting and correct pronunciations like this video if you found it useful. Thanks for your support and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.